trails just opened up yesterday. Now the snow is thin, but it's a ride. Yeah, it's thin. You see the trail, it says trail closed. They just haven't taken the signs down. They just groomed them yesterday. So I was on the Elmira District Snowmobile Club Facebook page, and they posted that they had them open. So, and plus on the ITG they're open, just so if you see that, I'm not trespassing. You know, the clubs are doing the best they can. January 8th or 9th today, and it's just really been a crappy season so far. I'm sure you watched my first ride of the season, snowmobiling. I know a lot of you guys were cringing, and I was too when I watched that back. But you know what? I was already riding, so I mean, I made the best of it. The groomers just came out last night, or yesterday, I guess the last couple days, to try and get this section open. A neat little section through here. Alright, this is different. Oh yeah, it's concrete. Interesting. Must be doing fence posts. They're all about 6 feet long. Split in half. Maple syrup collection. All the brown, or blue lines. Gone are the days of using a bucket and a spout. That's cool. See where these guys are gonna doubling on the apex. Oh, so he's in the field there. That's okay. That's not very far. Wow. Power on this sled is incredible at bottom end. I come from a bunch of old sleds, riding old sleds, and got fed up with that. I bought a Yamaha 2009 Vector, thinking, no, that would be good, nice and reliable. Yeah, it was reliable, but it was heavy. You guys know that. Heavy as a tank and exhausting to ride. There's a couple more guys. So it took me about 3 months to decide what I was going to buy. And I was bouncing back and forth between a Polaris XCR and like a 600 and a Skidoo. I wasn't sure what model I was going to buy in the Skidoo, but I like the 600R engine, the E-Tech engine. But I'm loving it. I would like to try an 850 and see what the power's like, but I really like this, just the bottom end torque of this engine. There's a nice matrix there. Blizzard because it was a pretty good package. You don't get adjustable shocks, but you get rebuildable shocks. So, you know, for the price range, I think a couple extra grand for the adjustable shocks all the way around. And I just didn't want to spend that amount of money. I mean, I'd love to have it, but it wasn't in the budget last year. So, you know, this way, it comes. This one also comes with the adjustable gauge, or the I don't know what they call it, the premium gauge package of 2019. So it's got the analog and digital. It's got a bunch of different adjustments and the controls on the module here. Like it does more than just the standard, like the TNT model. So it was kind of the, you know, given the price range I was looking at, it was a pretty good package. It's bumpy, man. Yeah, you know, got the air motion, the 129 track with it. Oh, and it comes with the pre-studded track, which is something I wanted to try. I've always studded tracks on sleds, but I didn't want the hassle of, you know, studs pulling out, and the problem with warranty. You know, I would have wanted to stud the track right away, and then you worry about the studs doing damage to the track and voiding the warranty. So I just didn't want that. So I went with this pre-studded. I think it's an 1 3/8 lug pre-studded track. I have no idea where I'm going. I think I said that already. But another big barn down there, probably chickens. I don't know what my next sled will be. I'm probably going to upgrade in a couple years. And this one has those adjustable skis, you know, the Pilot, whatever they call them, TS something. You know, I wouldn't necessarily make a difference whether my sled had that or not, but it came with it, so it was, oh, okay, we'll give it a shot. And I haven't really had a chance to really try them out, because look at what I'm riding in. Like, this is, even last year, I didn't get up north at all, like on the, you know, the perfectly groomed trails, like up in Sudbury or Cochrane or something. So I can't really, I hadn't really make a big decision. I mean, a honest decision on the difference. I mean, between these adjustable ones and the regular carbides. I think as far as pricing goes, the carbides and the carbides for this, these are a little bit more than what you'd pay for, you know, standard carbides to replace them. There's a lot of carbide on the actual blade itself. So anyways, there's a little bit of a info session. I love seeing those old sleds out. Check this out. Amish country up here. Beautiful horse. I don't see any dirt. Oh, nice ice rink. Look at that. A little crooked there, but skates don't know that. And they're riding around a little Yamaha SRV, I think they were called. That's cool. I love this sled. So easy to drive. Nice blizzard. Stop. Forgot to do that. Yeah, so we want to go. We don't want to go to Drayton because that's just got gas. I don't need gas. Still on full. Today I'm wearing my Skidoo X gloves. Bought these when I bought the sled. I've got the FXR gloves from Yamaha as well. I actually find the FXR gloves are a more comfortable glove. They've got the leather palms and leather thumbs, but then the backs of them are I guess cloth material. They're warmer and they're just more comfortable, and they fit a little bit better on the cuffs. These cuffs are a little too tight around my jacket. Follow road. Yeah, so I like both. I like these too, but they're just not as comfortable. They got like lumps of fabric in the hands, and the leather overlaps on the palm. You can see where it overlaps. And that actually, when you're riding down on the grip, it's uncomfortable. That's all I can say. Yeah, this is the maple syrup shack. That's cool, eh? Look at the size of the stack there for that. That's a lot of boiling. It's neat. The sugar shack. Yeah, missed the trail. Playing with the camera and I missed the trail. Holy fuck, what was that? I think that thing's got a can on it. Well, we're getting to the end of the trip. We're getting a little bit further south now. And as you can see, the trails are getting a little dirty. But further north, they were pretty good. The odd spot here and there. But I'll say another week. Supposed to get some snow this week. We should eventually, by the end of the month, by end of January, hopefully have some decent trails in southern Ontario. I don't know what's going on with the trails up north. Some are open, most aren't. I mean, if they can have this much snow in southern Ontario, what the heck's going on up there? I ask you, Ontario Federation of Snowmobile Clubs, what are you up to? Anyways, guys, gonna close this one out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like it, comment. I don't care if you don't like it or you do like it. Just let me know what you think. It's all good. Anyways, talk to you later.